So if you click this video, you want to surely want to know like how to make your post go viral. So recently, from my personal insight, in this video I'm gonna sharing you how to make your post go viral on Instagram, and not just being like you can go make your post go viral just one time. How to being consistent with that all of your posts performing top and attract targeted followers on your Instagram. And if you personally don't know me, my name is Sauma Singh, and I am an Instagram coach and manager that mostly helping entrepreneurs to go from unknown to build their authority and increase their brand awareness through Instagram. And basically, in this video, I'm sharing all about Instagram marketing tips and hacks. So be sure that you subscribe my channel for more future videos. And let's start in video. So before I will telling you, you have been wondering like who the heck I am, like how do I know all of this strategy, like how do I make like how to make viral. So I'm just saying like to seeing other creators, like I'm being work on that, I've been work on my post like how to make viral. I've been changing so many strategies to make viral on my post, to test that like what makes the post good, and it was just that Instagram loves, and they will promote your post organically to reach more and more audience on your niche and on your Instagram, to get more followers and more viral, that makes viral your post. So recently my Instagram post, one of that is carousel, it just hit like more than 1000 likes and also 4 plus 40k reach. And this is a carousel, not reel. So like after that I worked this strategy, it's just not like my one post go viral, other that it goes 500 likes and it gets more 1500,000. So number one tip for being viral your post is be authentic. Like it's just not being like to create, like there are so many creators on Instagram, there are so many entrepreneurs, there are so many designers that have different post styles, and their reels and their post makes go viral. So it does not mean like you copy and paste just like you can create that, it's just like copy and pasting. So how you can create your own formula for going viral is be authentic, be like test out different things. Like my post is not going viral just I post one time and just begin to viral. It just take 10-20 posts on working on testing on different things, because every people, like every on Instagram account, it works differently. If in my Instagram it works the formula A, you can, it probably works B formula, C formula. It just work different for different people. Don't just copy and paste what other creators will say. That be on like what you can add your values, add your creative designers. All people have different creative designers, creatives. And number two tip is like don't expect that your post needs to be perfect, that when you post on Instagram to be viral. Because like that the perfect thing, that the perfect strategy in your mindset is first like the holding back to post your ideas that people need to see your value. You just hold it like imposter syndrome. Like it also feels like me that when I have to post any post or any reel, I just like it just being perfect, it just like going viral, just people love it or not. And from this wrangling of questions in my brain, I'm not able to share this post of my post, and it also breaks the consistency. And also I don't share like for being the perfect on Instagram, I don't share the like value to people. So don't expect that you need to be perfect by sharing your post, just share the value that you want to provide to your audience and be authentic. And like as you know, and that on Instagram, like and also on many social media platforms, the videos are like the most engaging. So try that when you create the post, whenever it's carousels or like single post, try it, this just make you can make on video type. So just I did from my personal side, whenever I make the post, whether it's carousel, I just try to make the cover of that post to be in a video format, just adding some elements like the wheel that I've shared, the 5 steps for like 6 ideas for reels, is I just animate this the video, the mobile shape, the mobile that you see, like I just animated, so it's just like a video. So it's just engaging with people. Like on the explore page there are hundreds of posts, so like how to be stand out, like people will click to your post and they will swipe up for like swipe and read and keep reading at the end. So you need to be attract, you can add and hook like oh headline like and there's some examples of like hooking a headline that will create your content to being standard on Instagram from others rest posts. So that's it. The last and the very important tip I want to share is being consistent. Like, not being like just you can post in a once in a month and you just expect that it just go viral, and if it does not perform well, you just like you get be demotivated and not being consistent on platform. So be sure like it just take like staying consistent and your post go viral if you're being consistent on your Instagram posting, and give value for more than focusing on going viral on reel. Focus like how you can give value. If you give value in return, your post go viral, as Instagram helps to reach more and more people to read your post and provide value to them.
Wake to you now. I wanna wake up with you.